We're here on the Birdair Architectural Icons Tour at JFK Terminal 1 in Queens, New York, where we were contracted to install 300,000 square feet of single-layer ETFE film reinforced with cables. We just started here in construction on site, and we anticipate being here for about 6 months working on the arrivals canopy as well as the departure canopies. Typically with ETFE film, it's used for its transparency, but this particular project, they decided to go with more of a translucent, milky white ETFE. Part of the Taiyo company allows for us to pull in resources from all over the world, from our sister companies, such as people from Romania here as Serban.
This is one of Birdair's biggest ETFE single layer projects ever. Usually it takes about a couple of days to install each panel because it's a process. Everything is being manufactured in Europe and they're shipped here to the US where we're installing them.
As we pick up speed and start putting panels in faster, I'll need to send them further ahead with pre-work, like the gaskets, the rope net, and making sure all the galvanized is knocked off. We have an operator at a local 14. We got 2 ASG guys at a DC9, which is the IU PAT, and then we have I think right now 6 iron workers out of the 580.